Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
These people are northerners like us. They are
northerners
like Buhari, but they are intent on undermining his legacy by ensuring that they cause a crisis. Because after 8 years of Buhari, if he's succeeded by another northerner, there are chances that would have more pockets of crisis in the country.
But some would argue, though, that if there is this plot that you're talking about, that President Buhari himself is subscribing to that plot, because he just came out a few days ago to make a very fervent, very robust statement supporting the redesign of the Naira.
Yes, he believes in the redesign of the Naira, okay? Because he did it before. He did it in 1984. He believes it is the way that all those people that have stashed billions of Naira in their homes will be caught out, either to come and deliver the money to the bank so that the EFCC can trace and ask, how did you get this money? This is the dummy that they sold to him. And of course, when they sell this dummy, they will say, you know, these governors have billions of Naira in their houses. Charles, I don't have 100,000 Naira in my house. And I challenge anyone to tell me every penny I have in Nigeria and in the whole world is in my 2 or 3 bank accounts in Nigeria.
Yeah, but I doubt if the focus is on you.
No. I can only speak for myself.
Sure.
Because, you know, the governors are the punchbacks of the Federal Republic. And what these people in the villa do is always to say, oh, you know, governors have a problem. Governors are thieves. Governors don't want local government autonomy. Everything is governors. Forgetting that it is the governors that worked hard to form this party. It is the governors that raised money and organized and delivered President Buhari in 2015. It is the governors that did it again in 2019, okay? And some of them that played no role in this matter became very influential, hijacked the government literally, did what they want. We never complained because we have our states to govern. But to try to make governors the point of getting everything through is wrong. President Buhari honestly believes that changing the currency redesign is a good policy, and I believe it is too. I have no problem with the redesign. I believe that there are people with lots of cash in their houses, and they should come out, deposit it in the banks, and explain how they got it, and let them be taxed properly.
So what's the issue
I subscribe to that.
with it?
There are 2 issues with the redesign that we have problems with. The first is the timing. Tell me how